Hello guys, welcome to Cybervie, a cybersecurity firm. Today, we are going to discuss about SOC. If you want to start your career in cybersecurity, SOC Analyst is one of the best entry points in 2026. But most people are confused. What to learn first, which tools matter, and how to actually get hired. In this video, I'll break down a clear SOC Analyst roadmap, step by step, from beginner to job ready. Let's start. Step 1. Strong-it and networking basics. Before touching any security tool, you must understand how systems communicate. Focus on TCP/IP, DNS, HTTP, HTTPS, how emails work, SMTP, IMAP, POP3, Windows and Linux fundamentals. What happens when you open a website? If you don't understand normal traffic, you'll never identify malicious traffic. SOC analysts detect abnormal behavior, and that starts with knowing what's normal. Step 2. Security fundamentals. Now move into core cybersecurity concepts. Learn. What is malware? Phishing? Ransomware? CIA triad? Confidentiality? Integrity? Availability? Authentication versus authorization? Common attack vectors? MITRE attack framework basics. At this stage, your goal is thinking like a defender. Ask yourself, how would an attacker abuse this system? Step 3. SOC tools and hands-on skills. This is where most SOC aspirants fail. They learn theory but skip hands-on practice. A SOC analyst must work with tools like SIEM, Splunk, Radar, Azure Sentinel, EDR, CrowdStrike, Defender, Sentinel-1 network tools, Wireshark, IDS, IPS, log analysis, and alert investigation. Learn how alerts are generated, how to validate false positives, and how to escalate real incidents. SOC is not hacking. It's monitoring, investigation, and response. Step 4. Incident response and blue team mindset. A real SOC analyst thinks in playbooks, not panic. You must understand. Incident lifecycle: detect, analyze, contain, eradicate, recover. Phishing response workflow, malware containment steps, user behavior anomalies, zero trust concepts, and continuous verification. This is where blue team mindset matters. Protect the business, minimize impact, document everything. Step 5. Certifications, labs, and job readiness. Certifications don't give jobs, skills do, but certs help prove them. Also build home lab detection write-ups, incident reports, LinkedIn presence with learning posts. Recruiters hire analysts who can explain incidents clearly. SOC is challenging, stressful, and demanding, but it's also one of the fastest ways into cybersecurity. If you master fundamentals, tools, and investigation skills, you don't just become employable, you become valuable. Start small, stay consistent, and think like a defender. Join Cybervie to get hands-on skill on SOC Analyst and get an easy job. Thank you. Happy journey.